Understanding bird conservation, a gateway to nature's beauty. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and important topic: bird conservation. This subject is not just about birds but also about protecting our environment and preserving the natural world. If you love nature and want to expand your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Bird conservation refers to the actions and initiatives taken to protect birds and their habitats. It's a crucial part of environmental conservation, focusing on ensuring that bird species survive and thrive. This involves protecting natural habitats, addressing threats like pollution or hunting, and supporting biodiversity. Biodiversity is a key term here, meaning the variety of life in a particular habitat or ecosystem. Birds play a vital role in our ecosystems. They help in pollination, spreading seeds, and controlling pests. But beyond their ecological roles, birds are also a part of our culture and heritage. They inspire us with their beauty and songs. Sadly, many bird species are under threat due to habitat loss, climate change, and pollution. That's why conservation efforts are essential to maintain the balance of nature and protect these magnificent creatures. You might wonder, what can I do to help? There are many ways. You can start by creating bird-friendly environments in your own backyard, like setting up bird feeders or planting native plants. Joining or supporting conservation organizations and participating in citizen science projects like bird counts are also great ways to contribute. And, of course, educating yourself and others about the importance of birds and conservation efforts is a big step forward. We hope you found this video enlightening and inspiring. Bird conservation is a topic that connects us with nature and teaches us the importance of caring for our planet. By learning about it and taking action, we can make a positive impact. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. Let's keep learning and exploring together.